Okay, so which of the following statements are true? So for part A, a function f of x that is differentiable at a point x equals a is continuous at x equals a. Okay, let's look at the difference between differentiable and continuous. So if a function is differentiable, then that implies it's continuous. But if a function is continuous, it is not differentiable. So this is critical to answering these questions. Okay. So being differentiable is a lot stronger than saying just being continuous. So if a function is differentiable at a point A, then it is continuous. So yeah, this is absolutely true from the below here. A function f of x that is continuous at a point x equals a is differentiable at x equals a. Okay, this one is false, right? That's this case. And there's a couple examples here. So let's take a look at a corner. So if you have a corner, so pretend like this is like the absolute value. So this is a corner. Or you can have a cusp, so something like that. Or you can also have something that's like a vertical tangent. So all of these are continuous, but they're not differentiable. Okay. So yeah, B is wrong. C, a function f of x that has a limit as x approaches a is continuous at x equals a. Okay, well, let's see if we could come up with an example that's not. Let's keep it simple. Let's draw a line segment. Now let's say this is a, and this is f of a. If I take the limit as x approaches a of f of x, I get f of a. But f of a is not defined, right? There's no y value for f of a. It's not defined there. So thus, it is not continuous. And another way to think about it is, like, if I were to draw this line, I would have to lift up my pen over the hole and then continue drawing the line. So yeah, part C is wrong. Okay, now let's go to part D. The function f of x that has a limit as x approaches to a is differentiable at x equals a. Okay, so this one we have to combine part A and C. So we said if it's continuous, that does not imply it's differentiable, right? So think of being differentiable as continuous and then some other restrictions. So if it's not continuous, then it cannot be differentiable. So part D is wrong. So the only answer that's correct is A.